saxophone friends, TJ Spencer here with the Saxophone Workshop. Welcome to another video tutorial on the saxophone. Today I'm excited to teach you about how to growl on the saxophone. Now this is a question that continues to come up, and so I thought it'd be a good idea to make a quick video about it. It's actually easier than you think. So let's get started. The growl is a great technique to put in your toolbox. And it's pretty simple to learn. The technique is to hum while you play. I'm going to play a note right now, and I'm going to play it straight. Now I'm going to play that same note, and I'm going to hum or growl. So you can hear that raspy growl sound as I hum when I play. Here's a little interlude with a growl. I'm going to hum. I'm going to start on the lower register, work my way up, and then when I get to the upper register, you'll hear me growl a little bit. Here we go. So to recap, to growl on the saxophone, all you need to do is hum while you play. I hope you got something out of this quick little video with the Saxophone Workshop. Remember to pick up your saxophone practice log on Amazon. And I'll see you next time on the Saxophone Workshop.